is gold, and according to fashion and beauty experts, every second counts. So here's a quick peek at how Signatures makes a chic transformation from day to evening makeup looks with 60 seconds of style.
Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to transform a day makeup look to an evening look inspired by the color of the year for Pantone, which is Living Coral. First, I'm going to start off with Jessica's eyes. So, I'm going to start off with using an orange color. Can you close your eyes please? And then I'm going to start transitioning the color on the top of her lids to emphasize a night look so that you can really show that there's an emphasis on the eye makeup look during the evening. And you can do this all in 60 seconds. Adding a little bit of eyeliner makes your eyes pop even more on the evening time. Other side please. Okay. So you can definitely do this at home. So for the lips, I'm gonna change the color of your lips to a little bit darker for the nighttime. So that would be a little bit of maroon, violet, to change this overall look to an evening look. Okay. Smile up. So there you have it. I changed a day makeup look to an evening look, and Jessica is ready to party tonight. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. So my name is Eunice. You can follow me on social media pages on my Instagram page. That is Eunice Enrera _MUA, and you'll be able to see more of my makeup looks there. So thank you so much for watching, and that is 60 seconds of style.
And that's how you can take fashion and beauty transformations in 1 minute. Check out our next episodes in the coming weeks, only here at 60 Seconds of Style.